Hello. In this video we will learn how to make a color tone using the color palette. So, keep watching. We will use this color palette. This can be downloaded from the Adobe Color website. First, we go to the Adjustment panel and choose Gradient Map. After that, choose Soft Light from the Blending Mode menu. Double-click here. Using the eyedropper tool, we select the colors from the color palette. We can change the color's values. After we're done, press OK. And we make the opacity 65%. The picture is now more expressive. I hope you learned something new from this video. If you learned something new, subscribe to the channel and press the like button, and do not forget to activate the bell button until the videos come to you first. Thank you for your watching.